So the bees are out in force. This little temperature warm up, cleaning up that comb in there. They're loving these boxes I've moved, which are just empty supers, so there'll be some stuff they can scrounge from. Yeah, look at this. Temperatures are rising. Swarm out the tree. They seem to be doing really well. They're aggressive little buggers though. What we need to do is get them some boxes. That top yellow box needs to go on there so that they can move up into it, and we remove that top blue box because that's all their crazy wacky comb. So we need to filter that one down to the bottom, but not today. Beautiful to see. But there's not a lot for them resources wise, which is why they're over every box in the garden, scratching and scrounging for anything they can get. Beekeeping season 2025 is upon us.